What do you get when you cross a failed wallpaper idea with an irresistible urge to pop? Bubble wrap. Invented in 1957 by engineers Alfred Fielding and Marc Chavans, bubble wrap was originally meant to be textured wallpaper. Spoiler, no one wanted it on their walls. But when its cushioning powers were discovered, it became the go-to for packaging fragile items. The real twist? People couldn't stop popping those bubbles. That satisfying snap became a universal stress reliever, proving that sometimes the world's best inventions are happy accidents.